I'm going to sharpen this 5.5. I've done it before, but I don't think I got a really good edge on it. I'm using the Veritas Mark II honing guide. I just don't have the muscle memory. I've been trying to do it with just freehand, and I'm not getting it. So I think this is 2.5 inches. I have it on the guide here. It's to the edge. I'm tightening this pretty good. This is a 1000 grit trend. Diamond stone. I have a habit of trying to push too hard. I got my damn tabletop wet and now it's not gripping at all. Here I'm taking the blade out of the honing guide and doing it freehand. So you'll notice here the total lack of technique. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to develop this skill. Here I'm trying to remove the burr from the back of the blade. Well, this isn't really sharp. So again, obviously, here I'm kind of starting over just with freehand and no guide. And as you'll see, I start to develop a technique and it gets better. Let's try it freehand, see if I have any better luck. it's sharp. So let's see, is it going to cut anything? This isn't paper. This is pine, so it's real hard to work with. That's pretty good thin shave. It's cutting more on one side. I'm happy. Let's see if we can do it with the number 4. This is a good little plane. This was my first wood river. I had always bought those cheap planes for some reason because I didn't think it could possibly make a difference, but it does. So, you know what? I'm going to just do the... Wow, that works. Thanks, Rob Cosman. Wow, that is just sharper than hell. And I don't know, this plane wasn't all that unsharp. So just to recap here, we were using the Veritas Mark II honing guide, well-built piece of equipment, and I like using it. However, I'm starting to get the freehand down, so I think I'm going to continue with that. So the big winner here is the Trend 1000 diamond plate, sharpening plate. Wow, that's a great piece of equipment. As well as the Shapton 16,000. Those two combined, like Rob Cosman suggests, wow, what a dynamic duo. Okay, folks, this has just been a quick video of my Veritas Mark II. I don't know if that's a success, but the Shapton trend sharpening system that Rob Cosman suggests to use, that's a win. Holy crap, I'm impressed. And we'll see you further on down the trail.